Hello children, welcome to the nature study class. Today in this class we will learn food from plants. We are getting so many food from plants. So let's begin. Plants are very useful to us. We get most of our food from plants. We get food from different parts of plants. So it has been said, no children, that you should plant trees. Now you see, children, vegetables. We get vegetables from plants. Some vegetables are available throughout the year. Some vegetables are seasonal. That seasonal means what, children? We get some vegetables in like winter, summer, okay? And some vegetables we get throughout the year. Radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot. All these are root vegetables. Now see, potato, ginger, arvi, these are stem vegetables. Now what is arvi, children? Arvi is the name in Bengali term. It is called gati kochu. Okay. And see, potato, it is a favorite vegetable for you all, no children? And you see, children, most of the curry potato are being used. Now we will learn about leafy vegetables. Spinach, lettuce, cabbage. So these vegetables, leaves are maximum. Leaves are there. Now flower vegetables, cauliflower, broccoli, and fruit vegetables. What are they? Brinjal, cucumber, tomato, lady's finger, bottle gourd, pumpkin. So all these are vegetables. And you know, children, you should take vegetables. It is very good for your health. Now we will talk about fruits. We get fruits from plants. Some fruits are juicy and fleshy. Mango, orange, apple, banana, pomegranate, grapes, strawberry, peach, cherry, pineapple, and many more. Now you know, children, every day in your diet chart you should keep a fruit. Any fruit you can take. And doctors advise that an apple a day keeps doctor away. That means if you take an apple a day, that you will be away from many diseases. There is no need to you to go to the doctor. So vegetables and fruits, these you should take, and it is very, very good for your health. So today we have learned about the food we get from plants, vegetables and fruits. So in the next class, children, I will tell you something more about food from plants. Okay. So today till this much, children. Have a nice day. Tata.